Dear students, today we will discuss about exercise 8.2 question number second. Exercise 8.2 question number second. Given that choose the correct option and justify your choice. It means firstly you will justify, and when you will justify, that time you are able to choose the correct option. First question. It is given 2 tan 30 degree by 1 plus tan square 30 degree. Now we will write 2 tan 30. Tan 30 means 1 by root 3 by 1 plus tan 30 means 1 by root 3 whole to the power 2. Again we can write 2 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by 3. After that we will write 2 by root 3 divided, it means divide, 3 1 is 3 plus 1 4, 4 by 3, 4 by 3 equal to 2 by root 3 multiplied 3 by 4. Root 3 is equal to 3. That means root 3 by 2. And we have idea. Root 3 by 2 means what? Root 3 by 2 means sin 60 degree or cos 30 degree. We can write, but in question sin 60 degree is given. That means we can choose option A, sin 60 degree. We can write sin 60 degree. It's our answer, and this process is the process for justification. Second, 1 minus tan square 45 degree. 1 minus tan square 45 degree by 1 plus tan square 45 degree. Now we will put the value of tan 45. 1 minus tan 45 means 1 square by 1 plus 1 square. That means 1 minus 1 by 1 plus 1. We have idea 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 0 by 1. That means 0. The value of sin 0 is 0. But here in option it is given option D 0. So our answer is option D. Third question. Sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a is true when a is equal to what? Sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a. When we have no idea, so firstly we will justify it. Let a is equal to 0 degree. Then LHS is equal to sin 2 into 0 is equal to sin 0 degree is equal to 0 and RHS is equal to 2 sin A. That means 2 into sin A, sin 0. Sin 0. Sin 0 means 0. That means 0. Here, LHS and RHS both are equal. When we have taken A is equal to 0 degree. So it is clear that the angle A is justifying our answer. Sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A. So our option will be angle 0 degree. That means option A. Again, question 4. 2 tan 30 degree by 1 minus tan square 30 degree. 2 tan 30 degree by 1 minus tan square 30 degree. Tan square 30 degree. We have idea. The value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So we will put the value of tan 30. Now here 1 minus 1 by root 3 whole to the power 2 equal to 2 by root 3 by 1 minus 1 by 3. Again we will write 2 by root 3 divided 3 1 ja 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 by 3. That means 2 by root 3. When we will change into multiplication, we will get 3 by 2. 2 cancel. Root 3, 3. So this equal to root 3. And root 3 is the value of tan 60 degree. So we can write tan 60 degree here. Our option will be C. And this process is for justification. Next, question number 5. If tan A plus B is equal to root 3 and tan A minus B is equal to 1 by root 3, where A is greater than 0 degree, A plus B is greater than 0 degree, and A plus B either equal or less than 90 degree, and angle A is greater than B, then find the value of A and B. We will write here tan A minus B equal to root 3 and tan A minus B equal to 1 by root 3. Now tan A minus B tan A plus B equal to root 3, and we have idea the value of tan 60 degree is root 3. So we will write here tan 60 degree. We will write here A plus B is acute angle. Here A plus B is acute angle. So A plus B equal to 60 degree. First equation. Again, then a minus b equal to 1 by root 3. And we have idea 1 by root 3 is equal to tan 30 degree. Here a minus b and 30 degree both are acute angles. So a minus b equal to 30 degree. It's the second equation. Now by addition of equation first and equation second, now by equation first plus equation second, we will get a plus b is equal to 60, a minus b is equal to 30. When we will add, we will get 2a is equal to 90 degree. That means, so a is equal to 90 by 2 equal to 45 degree. Now we will put the value of angle A in equation first. Here we put the value of A in equation first. A plus B equal to 60 degree. That means 45 degree plus B is equal to 60 degree. So that B is equal to 60 minus 45 degree. So angle B is equal to 15 degree. That's our answer. Angle A is equal to 45 degree and angle B is equal to 15 degree.